How would you like to join me and go for a virtual test drive in a 67 Corvette Roadster with side pipes? A 4-speed L79 motor, which is a 327, 350 horse. I'm telling you, this car is a sweetheart. It just does everything right. Door shuts nice. Parking brake is holding. I drove this home the other night, so I already know we're in for a treat. Seatbelt works nice. It's a numbers match 327, 350 horse. It is for sale. Go to volocars.com where you can get the complete overview of the car and the pricing, where you also find a couple hundred other collector cars all for sale. But right now, gorgeous day. We're going to have some fun. Car always starts right up. The gauges have been restored. Gas gauge works. Amp gauge works. You'll see the speedo in a minute. Works. Tachometer. Excellent oil pressure. Even the clock is ticking. I get a lot of static in the radio. I think the radio was rebuilt, but it's not working properly. This car just feels right. The headlights do open with no problem. The lights work. There's the wipers. A Roadster with side pipes. This is exciting. Such a nice day, I don't want to go back. I'm steering with 2 fingers, shifting with 2 fingers. Look at that. This car is just a sweetheart, actually steering with no hands. And I drove it home one night, brought it back to work the next day. I put some miles on it. I can't find one thing that the mechanic needs to look at. Turn signals blinking. Shifter feels so nice. Yeah, temperature gauge works. It's now just starting to come up. It rides nice. There's no squeaks, no rattles, no strange noises, no nothing. So if I went to the mechanic right now, I can't find anything for him to look at. We got the radio that's a little reception issue, and that's it. Leather seats, I mean genuine leather, nice and soft. Got new cushions in the seat. We'll open it up a little bit here and see what it does. Beautiful day, perfect day actually. The Corvette Roadster with side pipes. I drive a lot of antique cars. This one is impressive. I'm not just saying that. I'm from the bottom of my heart, this car performs incredibly well. That can put a smile on anybody's face. There you have it. To get the complete overview of this car, visit volocars.com. Said you'll find a couple hundred collector cars on there for sale. Hope you enjoyed the test drive. Visit our site to check out all the others.